So idea is catch and throw. It's basically a service which we have developed to handle mapping between events and actions. In a day-to-day, we have lots of events like build failure, service going down, and actions, corresponding actions like sending SMS, re-triggering build from mobile, restarting a service. So basically, we are providing a framework to do mapping between the two in a more flexible and easy way. So functionality that we are providing are one is Jenkins plugins to provide SMS-based notification about the build status and a URL to re-trigger the build securely through mobile. So this is all through SMS and mobile. And the next thing is that we provide a plugin to keep any component alive for the configured time. So say in a stage you want to keep a component alive for a day or two, it will keep polling and keep the component alive for that duration. So productivity is of course that we are using mobile, so it saves a lot of time, and there's better communication and action can be taken immediately. And apart from that, it also avoids unexpected results because Keep Me Alive keeps your component alive during testing and demos for important critical deadlines and important projects. It avoids problems of environmental issues when stage is down. Also, we are providing a flexibility in a framework to use events and actions separately in future and build framework to have an easy mapping between the two. So future enhancements is that currently the code is in Jenkins. We want to integrate this with Fusion. We also want to discuss with the security team to have more build related features through SMS in a secured way. And also mapping between the events and actions should be more generic and easily available. The challenges are that how generic the framework should actually be, because certain events and actions could not map with each other. So how generic do we actually want a framework to be, and how easy can a developer integrate with their application with ours, and also how easy it will be to map between new events and new actions and introduce new events and actions is a challenge. So now we can just see a demo in the next video. That's all for this video.